Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with Lesson 4, Articles of English Grammar. Lesson 4, Articles. You all know, children, that from A, B, C, D, E, F till Z, we have 26 alphabets. We have 26 alphabets. How many alphabets? 26. Now, each word out of 26 letters, we have A, E, I, O, U as vowels. As vowels. Rest B, C, D, E is here, F, G, H, I is here. They are consonants. They are consonants. So, what are articles? Articles are a, an, and, the. We have got three articles, a, an, and the. Now, a and an, they suggest one. One. This means a. But where is a used and where is an used? Is that clear? A is used before the consonant sound. Before the consonants. And an is used before vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. Is that clear? Like consonants, I told you B, C, D. Removing the vowels, consonants are left with you. For example, a bat, a cat, a dog. Is that clear to you? A is used before a consonants, whereas an is used before the words beginning with the vowels. Like an apple, an egg, an ink pot, an owl. As it is raining, please give me an umbrella. Is that clear to all of you, children? A is used before the consonants and an is used before the vowels. And they all are used before nouns. They're all used before singular, countable nouns. Is this clear to all of you? Now, we will mark it here some important points. A and an are used before one person or thing. Is that clear, children? It is used before one person or thing. As you have come to know, is used for consonants and an is used before vowels. Is this clear to all of you? An is used before vowels, but there are certain words where there is silent H. Now the second point in both of these are, there are certain words which begin with, that is why and an, they are called indefinite articles. They are called indefinite article. And an, they are called indefinite articles. Now, is used before, like if I say, he wants a dictionary. Means any dictionary. You give me any dictionary. Is that clear? So, means one. If I talk about the is a definite article. The is a definite article, means this only. I want the dictionary, means particular dictionary I am talking about. Now, as it is very clear that an and the are articles and they are used before singular countable nouns which begins with the consonant sound. The second important point is used before a singular countable noun which starts with a vowel. Which starts with a vowel but has consonant sound. Consonant sound. Now, how is it? If I say a university, he studies in a university. You. How are you pronouncing you? You. Try to say it. You are pronouncing like this. You. So this Y is a consonant. It is not a vowel. U is not a, it is though a vowel, but the sound is U. We will not write an university, we will write a university. Is that clear? There is another word, a European. A European. Though E is a vowel, but again how you are pronouncing? U. Again, which is a consonant, you will be writing a before that. Is that clear, children? In the same way, for an also, there are certain words which starts with a vowel sound. There are which starts with a consonant, but check its vowel sound. Like, he is an MP. He is an MP. M is coming like this. M. Do you hear me? M. So, though it is a consonant, but how is it being pronounced? MP. Vowel sound. Here it was a consonant sound. U. Try to practice U. Here, M. M. Is that clear? So, though the words are starting with the consonant, but they have a vowel sound. That is very, very important. So, here always while speaking part, see how the pronunciation is coming. Like MP, he is an MP. If you write he is a MP, it will be wrong. You have to keep on speaking MP. Is that clear, children? Now, a is used before an adjective that comes before noun. We also use a before adjective which comes before noun. Like, he is a good driver. He is a good driver. Whom are we talking about? He is what? Driver. What kind of a driver? He is a good driver. So, before an adjective, the noun being preceded by adjective, again we will be writing a before that. Is that clear, children? Another example I give you. We gave her a picture book. We gave her a picture book. We gave her a book. We gave her a book. What kind of a book? Picture book. What kind of a book? Picture book. Whatever you tell about the noun, that will be an adjective, isn't it? So before an adjective, again you will be putting a. Children, till here, is that clear to you? We will be revising it once again. And an is used silent H. Silent H. Like if I say an R. Can you see R? H is silent here. Please come after an R. R, R, R. It is starting from A-U, R, R. Is that clear? An honest man. An honest man. Again you are pronouncing honest. H is silent. H is silent. Is that clear to you? Now quickly, children, we will revise this. Articles are a, an, and the. A, an, and the. Now, a and an are used before one person or one thing. Is that clear, children? A and an means one. A and an means one. As I told you, a is used before consonants. A is used before consonants and an is used before vowels. Is that clear to all of you? See, consonants, a bat, a cat, a dog. In the same way, an is used before vowels. Vowels like an apple, an egg, an ink pot, an owl, an umbrella. Is that clear to all of you? This is used before singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns. Children, is it clear to all of you? Okay. The second difference I am telling you, we are doing it in a comparative way so that there is no confusion left for you. Now, secondly, a is used before a singular countable noun which starts with a vowel but has a consonant sound. This starts with a vowel but has a consonant sound. Like I told you, a university, university. U, the pronunciation really matters here. Though it is starting from U, but how is it written? Y-O-U. Y is a consonant. So you will be writing a university. In the same way, he is a European. Mark is a European. You. Again, you. It is not European, you are not saying European. You are saying European. You. Is that clear? So, before the word starting with the vowels, but has a consonant sound, again you will be putting a before that. In the same way, the words beginning with consonants, but having vowel sound, you will be putting an. Is that clear? Another example I can take. His name starts with the letter F. Letter F. How are you going to pronounce? F. Letter F. You will be putting E. So, there are certain words with the H sound where H is silent. You don't say H. However, you don't say. You say R. 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 O-U-R. R. Is that clear? An honest man. An honest man. Again, the H is silent and you are going to say R here. You will be saying honest here. Children, is that clear to all of you? Now, we come to some exercises for you. I'll rub this. Now, a table. A tables. Which is correct? Definitely, a table is correct. A tables is wrong. Because this is singular countable noun. This is not singular. Is that clear? Now, a man. We always say a man. We don't say a man. Do we say a man? No. We always say a man. Now some exceptions are also there. A is used before a word that begins with U. Like a university we have done, but an umbrella. A university, but an umbrella. Both the words are beginning with U. Here it is pronounced as Y-U-U. Here umbrella. Is that clear to all of you children? Now an is used before a word that begins with H, where H is silent. This again we have done. Now, please practice this at home, like make some more words with an. An apple, some more words with an, some words with E, some words with I, some words with U, and check whatever you are playing is right or wrong. Is that clear, children? Make some words with like an, as. Here a bat, a book, a cat, a dog, a fan, a glass. Is it clear? So try to make use a and an before the consonant words and vowel words. Is that clear, children? Now we come to correct the wrong sentences. Here, correct the wrong sentences. If I say apple is fruit, apple is fruit. Is it okay? Is the sentence okay? No, this sentence is not okay. So how will you write? An apple is a fruit. You have to insert an apple is a fruit. Is that clear to all of you, children? Now, coming to the. The, I told you, is a definite article. We use the to talk about a specific thing. We talk about the specific thing. The is used for specific things. That is why it is called a definite article. Now, children, I think this will be very clear to you. When we talk about specific things for the, when we talk about a particular noun means one of its kind. Particular noun. If I say the sun and the moon, they are one of its kind. Is that clear? So we will not say a, we will say the. They are one of its kind. That is why they are called definite article, one of its kind. Why a and an? Because they also are one of its kind. A is used before one, but the is used before particular nouns. Is that clear? Now we use the before the words before rivers, oceans, seas, and mountains. River. When you talk about the Narmada, the Ganga, the Yamuna, ocean, we will say the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas, because they are one of its kind. Is that clear, children? Now, we also use the before the names of the books, newspapers, and magazines. You must have seen the magazines also coming to your house. The Outlook magazine, isn't it? The Economic Times. So, in the same way, like the book, The Panchtantra. When we talk about newspaper, we say The Times of India. The Times of India, it is one of its kind. For magazines, we say The Outlook, The Economic Times. One of its kind. Is that clear, children? Now, we also use the before the monuments or special buildings. Special buildings. Like we say, the Red Fort, because it is only one. The Victoria Memorial. Because they are one. They are one of its kind. The Parliament House. Is that clear, children? Then we use before the names of countries with plural names. The is also used before the countries with plural names. Like the Maldives, as it is ending with S. Is that clear? Maldives. So, we feel it is something plural. So, this is used before the countries with plural names. And the Philippines, the Netherlands. The Netherlands. So, the is used before particular nouns, specific nouns. That is why it is called a definite article. The sun, the moon, the earth, the universe. Okay? It is used before rivers, oceans, seas and mountains. The Narmada, the Himalaya. It is used before the books, newspapers, magazines, the Panchtantra, the Times of India, the Outlook. It is used before the monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Victoria Memorial, the Parliament House, and important buildings. Okay? It is used before the countries with plural names, the Maldives, the Netherlands, the Philippines. Now, it is used before the names of countries that contain the words republic, democratic, kingdom, or states. For example, the United States of America. So, it is used before the countries who are democratic. The names of the countries that contains the word that contains the words republic, democratic, kingdom or states. Kingdom or states. Like the United States of America. The United States of America. And the Republic of We do not use the before the names of languages, like we learn English. We don't use the before languages. Before languages. The English we will not say. We learn English. They speak Chinese. Is that clear? We learn English. Now, the is used before that of certain cultures. It is used before certain cultures. What are certain cultures? The Chinese dumpling, the Russian opera, the Indian Prime Minister. So, we use the before nouns that are of certain cultures. Then, we also use the before the superlatives and ordinal numbers. What are superlative degrees? In adjective, you must have done last year also. Like we say good, better, best. Okay, I'll use this please. We have positive degree. We have comparative degree, where we do comparison. Then we have superlative, is the highest form. Superlative degree. We say she is good, better, best. We will say she is the best, she is the best girl in the class. Is that clear? Or he is the tall. If I take this word tall, taller, tallest. So with this highest degree, we also use the. Like, she is the tallest girl in my class. She is the tallest girl in my class. Then, what is the ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth. Like if I say, I met him for the first time. I met him for the first time. I met him for the first time. So, with ordinal numbers and with the superlative degrees also, we use the. Children, is that clear to all of you? So, quickly we will revise where and how we use the article the. So, the as we told, then the as I told you is used before the particular nouns, like the sun, one, the moon, one of its kind, the earth, the universe, they all are, we are going to write down the before that. Is that clear? Then the is used before the rivers, oceans, seas and mountains. The Narmada, the Himalayas, name any sea, the Caspian Sea. Okay? The is used before the books, newspapers and magazines. The Panchtantra, the Times of India, the Outlook, the Economic Times. Now, the is used before the monuments and buildings. The Red Fort, the Victoria Memorial, the Taj Mahal, okay, the India Gate, countries with plural names, the Maldives, the Netherlands, the Philippines. The is also used before the words that contains republic, the countries that contain the word republic, democratic, kingdom or states, like the United States of America. Now, the is used before the nouns of certain cultures, like the Chinese dumpling, the Russian opera, the Indian Prime Minister. But we do not use the before the languages. We don't use the before the languages. We learn English. They speak Chinese. We don't say we learn the English, they speak the Chinese. Is that clear? In true and false, if it comes, you have to mark that wrong. We learn English, they speak Chinese. Then, the is used before superlatives and ordinal numbers. This is the tallest building in Delhi. The tallest. I met him the third time at a mall. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These are all ordinal numbers which you have done last year also. So before ordinal numbers also you will be using the. Is that clear to all of you children? Now, articles are very important and you should know how to use them in the correct place. Now, one last so, the is not used before the languages in the same way. Is used before a word that begins with U. If it sounds Y-O-U, a university, but you say an umbrella. An is used before a word that begins with H because H is silent. Children, with this we come to the end of the lesson of the articles. I think you all have understood it nicely. Read the book, lesson 4, and revise and try to do it yourself. Reading and rereading is really going to help you. Is that clear? Thank you so much.